Here, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from TD Bank to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with this easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from TD Bank to PayPal. So the first thing to do, which is on the first step, is to link your TD Bank account to your PayPal. So to do this, you have to open the PayPal app or go to the website, which is paypal.com. Then log into your account, then tap on the wallet or go to the wallet section if you're on the website. Then click a bank account. Click a bank account, then choose a manual entry if TD Bank doesn't show up. Then enter the TD Bank sorting number. Usually this is a kind of number on the screen. Then tap on a TD check. Once that is done, your TD Bank account number, then submit. Then the next step is to confirm the bank account. So PayPal will send a two small deposit like a 0.05 or 0.12 to your TD account just for confirmation. Then in 1 to 3 days time, check your TD account for those deposits to appear. Then go to PayPal. Then from there, click on wallet, then navigate and select TD Bank and enter the deposit amount to verify. Then from the step 3, you have to add money from the TD Bank to PayPal. So in PayPal, go to wallet, then tap on transfer money, then choose add money from your bank, then enter the amount, then confirm the transfer, and that's how you can simply send money from TD Bank to PayPal.